Hi, this is Trusted Plumbing and Heating. Today, we're going to answer a question we hear all the time. How do you fix a dripping faucet? First, a dripping faucet is more than just annoying. It wastes water and can even increase your water bill. Sometimes, a loose faucet handle, old washer, or worn out parts are the cause. If you feel comfortable, there are a few steps you can try yourself. Always start by turning off the water supply under the sink. Next, carefully remove the faucet handle and unscrew the packing nut beneath it. Take a look at the washer, O-ring, or cartridge inside. If these look worn or damaged, you can take them to a hardware store to get the right replacements. After installing the new parts, reassemble your faucet, turn your water supply back on, and test it out. If the dripping is stopped, you did a great job. But remember, if you're not sure what to do, have trouble removing parts, or the leak continues, call a professional plumber. That's where Trusted Plumbing and Heating comes in. With more than 45 years of experience, we can fix your leaks quickly and make sure your home is protected from water damage. So, if you have a dripping faucet or need any plumbing repairs, call Trusted Plumbing and Heating or visit our website to schedule service today. Thanks for watching.